Hey guys, welcome back to Doitonadime with Kathryn. I've got a special guest today, my husband, Charlie. He does not share my same love for cleaning and organizing.
Charlie! What I like about this is the best t-shirts rise to the top, you know?
I always make fun of Charlie for this. He always lets his hangers like stick up.
When you put it in an organizing video, it looks bad, but how many of you do the same thing?
I mean, he's not wrong. It got me thinking about being overwhelmed by a space. So that happened in Charlie's office. It's been 5 years since he addressed or organized it. So what actually works? These are 5 tricks that have for us. Oh my goodness, 1, 2, 3, 4. Can we get rid of these?
Yeah, sure.
The truth is, you can't organize clutter, and most items clogging systems we keep just in case, or it's a delayed decision. Are you guilty of that too, like we are?
It's like a baby phone.
And those just in case moments rarely come. And the sad thing is, they destroy your peace along the way in that space. So we decided to return to simplicity. And there's actually one thing I found that I want to show you. Oh my goodness, do you remember the Physical Fitness Awards? If you're a millennial, you totally do. I never got the presidential. Did you?
Maybe once.
I could do the sit and reach pretty well, but I could never do like the hanging thing. Your arms would like shake. I remember PE class being so soul crushing. I'm not that athletic, and there was some gold standard that I could not live up to. And I was thinking about that in relation to our homes. We compare ourselves a lot to something we see online. You need a lot of time, a lot of money, or you're just not that naturally organized and you feel like you can't do it. But I really think keeping it simple is so helpful. And I hope today's video gives you permission to do the same. Good enough is just that. We weren't spending a lot or making big changes, but it was gonna make a big difference for Charlie, and that's what mattered. So I just made it into Big Lots. They have tons of really great items for back to school that are now on clearance. Lots of desk stuff, great organizers. Let's check it out. So they have an incredible selection of bins and baskets. I'm looking for baskets with a lid on them. This shelf is one of my favorites. It has almost 5 stars on their website with over 500 reviews, and I got it for well under $100 with my rewards program, and it worked really great in this corner. I also decided to take down the curtains that we had. Sometimes opening up the space and removing a few items does way more than adding anything, and I love these baskets I found. They were super affordable, and they have a lid on them to boot. So every time I see a makeover on YouTube, the first question I always have is, how long did this actually take you? So from start to finish, we did this in about 4 hours. But if decluttering and organizing overwhelms you, I definitely feel that too. If you feel anxious when you're decluttering, I totally feel you. I feel the same way, and please listen to this. It helped me so much. I get secondary overwhelm from all of the things that I need to declutter, the things I need to go upstairs, and then once the space is organized, there's all the extra stuff that didn't fit, and now I feel like I have a new organizing project. And if you struggle with motivation to get started, Mel Robbins, she is a motivational speaker and productivity coach. This trick changed my life. And it's really the only way that I'm able to tackle this stuff and not feel anxiety.
See, this is where we get procrastination all wrong. A lot of people think procrastination is about willpower. It means that you're lazy. It has nothing to do with that. It's all about your stress. That's why your work ethic or discipline, that's not going to solve this either. The key to stopping procrastination, number 1, is understanding what it is. It's a way that you deal with stress. And number 2, it's about 5-second decisions that stop the cycle of procrastinating. Because when you change your decisions, you're going to change everything. And here's how you're going to use the 5-second rule to do it. When you catch yourself procrastinating, or you feel yourself starting to avoid what you need to do, use the rule. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, activate your prefrontal cortex, and then acknowledge. Acknowledge that you feel stressed out. That's the first piece. Then you're going to use the 5-second rule to just get started. That's it, for 5 minutes, that's all I'm asking. Force yourself, I'm stressed out, I get it, but I'm going to work for 5 minutes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, sit down and get started. After you've worked for 5 minutes, Give yourself a break. The point here is that this is a way that you can use the 5-second rule in combination with research about beating procrastination that puts you in control of your decisions. Because when you understand that procrastination is something that you do when you're stressed, and you also understand that the secret to beating procrastination, which is a habit, is to just get started, now you can use the 5-second rule to leverage all the research that will help you end the habit of procrastinating once and for all.
Once you get into that flow and groove, it is so much easier to keep going. And something that really motivates me is having a satisfying cleaning project. And today's was behind the couch. Oh my goodness, it had been probably a year and a half since I've even moved this out. And some of my secret tricks are to use a dollar store lint roller. It's really great on a couch, even if your family doesn't appreciate it. Copper was really stressed out by this entire makeover because this is the room where he sleeps. And we also noticed our couch was super dirty. And you guys know I am so frugal, but the carpet cleaner by Bissell is the best. It's a little bit pricey out the gate, but you save so much in all you are able to clean. And I decided to tackle the entire couch. This couch is over a decade old, but just giving it new life, a quick cleaning, makes such a big difference. You don't have to have brand new things to love on your home a little more. And man, it is satisfying to know you made it a little better and something good out of it. What do you think of the office?
It looks really good. I honestly didn't think there was as much stuff in here as there was. So much more space.
If nobody has told you today, you are enough. I cannot wait to catch you in the next one, and don't forget to subscribe because then we can actually hang out. I'll see you soon. Bye.
Yeah, I just almost fell. The Presidential Award for Balance.